Hello, Josh here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Rode VideoMic Pro in order to enhance my audio quality for you guys and my videos. I know it's been a while since my last video, and I hope you guys are still staying safe with the pandemic and are enjoying the holiday season as it's fast approaching. As always, if you guys enjoy my content, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and let's dive right in. So first, we'll cut open the tape up here. First thing you see is the user manual. It tells you how to set it up with your camera and all the typical stuff. And you have the cable that plugs into the mic and into your camera. And then you have the microphone. So this just attaches to the top of the camera. And then this should enhance my audio for you guys. And now let me go and set this up on my camera, and I'll be right back and I'll give you guys a little demo of the change in audio quality. Okay, I'm back. So now I installed the Rode VideoMic on my camera, and I'm sure you guys can tell a huge difference already on my sound quality. So anyways, that was my quick unboxing of the Rode VideoMic GO. I'll be sure to make more videos here in the upcoming months, and I hope to see you guys soon. If you guys like this and enjoyed this quick unboxing, then make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll be sure to see you guys soon. Bye!